Using an IRS tracking number is a straightforward process that allows you to monitor the status of your tax return or refund. To begin, you will need to obtain your IRS tracking number, which can be found on your tax return confirmation or by contacting the IRS directly. First, go to the official IRS website and click on the Where's My Refund tool. This tool allows you to track the status of your refund and provides updates on when you can expect to receive it. You will need to enter your Social Security number, filing status, and the exact amount of your refund. Once you have entered the required information, click Submit and you will be taken to a page that displays the status of your refund. The status will be one of three options: Return Received, Refund Approved, or Refund Sent. If your return has been received, the IRS has acknowledged your tax return and is in the process of reviewing it. If your refund has been approved, the IRS has finished processing your return and has approved your refund. If your refund has been sent, the IRS has issued your refund and it is on its way to you. If you are checking the status of a payment plan or other tax issue, you can use the IRS tracking number to monitor the progress of your case. You can do this by calling the IRS phone number or by checking your online account. When using your IRS tracking number, make sure to keep it confidential and do not share it with anyone, as it provides access to your tax information. It is also important to note that the IRS tracking number is not the same as your tax ID number or Social Security number. The tracking number is a unique identifier assigned to your tax return or case, and it is used solely for tracking purposes. By following these steps and using your IRS tracking number, you can easily monitor the status of your tax return or refund and stay informed about any updates or changes.